Hey folks, you may notice a little windy across the valley today. Look at the latest wind gusts being reported at our stations across the valley. Port Isabel 37, 38 in Harlingen, 31 miles per hour in McAllen, 24 in Rio Grande City, all out of the south or southeast. Just a very windy afternoon as expected across the area, but temperatures have still warmed up nicely. We're in the 80s in the west, 70s in the east. Even the beach right now, it's 73 degrees at South Padre Island. Port Isabel 79, so is Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, all 79 degrees, Edinburgh too. Overnight tonight, around 70 or so, give or take a degree or two. 68 Harlingen and Brownsville, 71 McAllen. So a very mild night across the area. The breeze will die down some after sunset, but it's not going completely away. It'll be a breezy night. And then tomorrow, breezy at least. South to southeast winds 15 to 25. Gusts probably tomorrow around 30. So yes, strong, but not quite as strong as the wind was today. But still a very breezy day and a very warm day across the area. High temperatures the next 3 days. The normal is 78. We're going 84, 86. And then cooler on Saturday, courtesy of a Friday evening front. That ought to cool things off just a little bit for the weekend, but still very comfortable, right in that comfortable range in the 70s. About where you set your thermostat, right? Take a look at the high-resolution satellite. Shows not much today, pretty quiet day. Patchy clouds, that's it. And overnight tonight, nothing more than patchy clouds. There's a little green along the coast. We can't rule out a passing drizzle or shower storm. Light shower at the coast, nothing more than that. Then tomorrow's windy again. During the daytime, partly to mostly sunny skies all day long. This model suggests we'll see isolated showers come into the western part of the valley tomorrow night. Don't see that anywhere else yet, but we're going to watch and see what the trigger may be for that. But for us, early in the morning, maybe a brief shower at the coast, then we're dry. We're dry Friday evening or Friday night with the front. We've taken that rain chance from early Saturday, put it back to late Friday, and it's only about a 20% probability. For the most part, we're dry. That's with the front. And then Saturday and Sunday, we should be dry once again. Rest of South Texas, it's warm. Laredo's 82, Falfurrias at 83. San Antonio 79 degrees tonight. Push back, look at the rest of the state. 70s all the way up into the Panhandle. Lubbock at 70 degrees at this hour. Some high clouds streaming across the state, but most of them just a little bit north of the valley. There's a big upper air low sitting back here, and that's grabbing Pacific moisture and feeding it across the state. But at this point, most of it staying to our north. Now, here's future track. Front moves into the state by tomorrow. We're windy as the front approaches. Then Friday, still probably breezy. But then Friday night, the front comes through. Watch for green down here. See, just a little bit. Isolated shower possible Friday night with the front, and then it turns breezy and a little bit cooler for Saturday. We stay mild on Sunday, but by Sunday afternoon, the wind's already back out of the southeast again. Then we wait more fronts next week. None of them appear to be very strong. At least the fronts are in the forecast right now. In the morning, if you're traveling, 68 San Antonio, 69 Houston. If you're going to Amarillo, take a coat. 38 degrees to start the day. By afternoon, most of Texas warms up nicely, but look at that. Only 47 for a high tomorrow afternoon up in the Panhandle. So for tonight for us, partly cloudy, breezy, mild, low of 71. South to southeast winds about 10 to 20. Then tomorrow back up to 84. Another breezy day, in some places windy with gusts to over 30 miles an hour. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days looks like this. Our best chance of rain, 10 to 20%. Friday night, they're a little less humid for Saturday. The winds are back around to the south on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, we're back in the 80s, and then under the front Tuesday into Wednesday cools us off a little bit again for the middle part of next week. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.